Today I will talk about how can you enable notifications on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on account down here, and just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to on notifications, click in this sign. Now like you see this color here show for us, that's mean here notifications it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watch.